Today we will start with our next chapter, that is chapter 2, Understanding Windows. Chapter 2, Understanding Windows. This is on page number 18, 1818. So open your books and be with ma'am. In this chapter we will learn about introduction of Windows, user interface, types of user interface, desktop and its component, basic operations on the desktop gadgets. Okay? So I hope you all are ready with your books. Correct? So let's start with introduction of Windows. Tell me children, who takes care of all the household jobs at your home? All are with me? Tell me children, who takes care of all the household jobs at your home? Now what is the meaning of household? Household jobs? It means your housework, your family member work, your family work. In Hindi, घर बार के काम. Okay? Clear? So tell me children, who takes care of all the household jobs at your home? Yes, you have guessed it right. Your parents. Correct? Your parents will take care of your household jobs, your housework. Correct? Your parents look after all the household works in such a manner that you do not have to worry about them. Correct? You don't have to worry about them. What is the meaning of worry? Worry means concern. Chinta in Hindi. Correct? It is because they run the house with a system. Correct? With a manner, with method, some order. They work in such a way that there is no problem only. You don't have to worry about anything. Correct? So in Hindi, system means pranali, vyavastha, ek manner. Okay? Now suppose your parents are away. Away means if they are not there, they are going somewhere outside. Then if they will go for outstation, suppose your parents are away and you have to manage the housework, you will be surely find it difficult to manage the daily course of house. What is course meaning now? A routine task, a daily work. ठीक है? In Hindi, काम. हर दिन के काम को हम daily course कहते हैं. And will find it yourself in a mess. Mess means in trouble, in problem, full of problems. सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, अव्यवस्थित हो जाएगा in Hindi. Okay? Clear? So in this paragraph, actually it means कि आपके घर का जो काम है वो सब सही तरीके से एक सिस्टम के साथ होता है, एक मैनर में होता है, एक सही तरीके से होता है. जैसे सब सुबह सब उठेंगे, नहाएंगे, ब्रश करेंगे और फिर सब खाना खाते हैं, नाश्ता करते हैं, फिर एक लंच टाइम होता है, फिर डिनर टाइम होता है. एक सब चीज़ का एक सिस्टम होता है ना. मम्मा विल टेक केयर ऑफ किचन वर्क, देन योर फादर विल टेक केयर ऑफ आउटसाइड वर्क. होता है ना ऐसा? तो बिकॉज ये सारा चीज़ एक प्लान तरीके से होता है, कि सिस्टम के तरीके से होता है. ओके? Same way, your computer also work on a system. चलो आगे पढ़ते हैं. In same way, a computer has special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. Okay? This is known as operating system. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Remember, I have told you in chapter 1 that if a car is there and you do not have driver in that, you have all the things in that car. Petrol is there, your car engine is working fine, everything is there, but there is no driver. Then who will operate your car? So without driver, your car will not run, your car will not move from one place to another. So driver is the operator of that car. Same way for computer, operating system is must. Without that, computer will not work. Correct? Now what are the example of operating system? Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. are some of the most popular operating system. Basically, an operating system acts like as a link between the user and the hardware. Now, who is the user? User is the person who uses the computer. Suppose today if I am sitting in front of the computer and I am using the computer, then I will be the user. And if you will be using the computer, then you will be the user. And what is hardware? The physical part of the computer which you can touch. Remember that? Now what is the meaning of link then? Link means connection, to join, to put them together. Correct? Link means to put them together, user and the hardware, to join user and the hardware, to give a connection between user and the hardware. So operating system act as a connection between the user and the hardware, act as a link between the user and the hardware, act as link between the user and the hardware. This link is called interface. Understood? That link is known as interface. Clear? Now let's see what is user interface. You have learned that a printer is used to print information on paper. Remember that? Can you explain that how do you communicate with a printer attached to your computer? Now what is the meaning of communicate? Transmit thoughts, feelings, interchange of ideas, information. If you want to in Hindi कहना, आप कैसे कह सकते हैं प्रिंटर को कि ये काम मेरा प्रिंट कर दो? करेक्ट? तो वो हमें देखना है. With a printer attached to a computer, how do you instruct it to print a document? Shall we repeat again? You have learned that a printer is used to print information on a paper. Can you explain that how do you communicate with printer attached to your computer? How do you instruct it to print a document? Now what is the meaning of attached? Attached means join, जुड़ा हुआ. A printer is attached with computer. कहाँ connect होता है, कैसे connect होता है? In class 2, I have explained you how additional devices are connected with system, computer. Correct. It is connected with the cable which is connected to the CPU. One cable will move from printer to the CPU. Correct? Remember that? Now, attach means join, जुड़ा हुआ. Now, what is the meaning of instruct then? Explain a message that describes how to do something, a message that describes how something is to be done. In Hindi, निर्देश देना, आज्ञा देना. Okay? So now tell me how you will tell a printer to print a document. To give instructions for printing a document, you either type some commands, press set of keys or click a few buttons. These commands or menus through which a user communicates with an external device or program are called user interface and simply interface. Getting me? To give instructions for printing a document. Now what is the meaning of document? Document means paper, record, some sheet. In Hindi, dastaveज. Okay? You either type some commands. Now what is command? A line of code written as part of computer program, text based. Just now I showed you in previous video, command line in that black color screen with some white text. press a set of keys. Now what is set? A group of things that are used together. Correct? Set means एक साथ कुछ चीजें होती हैं, उसे हम set कहते हैं, set of keys. Or click a few buttons. These command menus. Menu means a list of things to do through which a user communicate with an external. What is external meaning? Outside, outer. In Hindi, bahari. Okay? Bahari device means बाहर के मशीन से, बाहर के पार्ट से, एक्सटर्नल पार्ट से, जो कि हमारे CPU के अंदर नहीं है, मॉनिटर के अंदर नहीं है, उसके बाहर है, तो उससे हम कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे? और अ प्रोग्राम are called user interface and simply interface. Getting me? The instruction which you either type some command, press set of keys or click few buttons. All this is known as your user interface or simply interface. Clear? Clear up to here? Shall we move? Now come to, let's see what are the types of user interface. There are two main types of user interface: command line interface, graphical user interface. In short, command line interface we will say CLI. Graphical user interface is GUI. Clear? Let's see what is command line interface. A command line interface requires a user to type the text-based command using a keyboard to instruct a computer to take the desired action. Shall we repeat again? A command line interface requires a user to type a text-based command using a keyboard to instruct computer to take the desired action. Now desire means required, wanted. In Hindi, abhilashit, vanchit. Okay? Now this actually means that you need to type some text. आपको कुछ टेक्स्ट लिखने होंगे, टेक्स्ट बेस्ड कमांड लिखने होंगे using your keyboard to give the instructions to computer. Okay, so best example of CLI is DOS, Disk Operating System. Clear? Now let's go on. GUI, a graphical user interface. A graphical user interface provides picture-oriented way to interact with hardware and software. It means, now picture-oriented means showing the direction in which something is aimed, directed towards. Means picture based, सारी चीज़ें पिक्चर के बेस पे होगी, सब कुछ पिक्चर होंगे और उसी पे आप उसी के ऊपर आधारित रह के आपका काम रहेगा. ओके? आप पिक्चर बेस से ही इंटरेक्ट कर पाओगे हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर में. दिस इंक्लूड्स मेनूज, टूल बार, पिक्चर्स, विंडोज, आइकॉन्स, buttons and other controls that enable a user to just make a few clicks to get the work done. In this menu, toolbar, pictures, windows, icon, buttons, all this we are going to learn in our next page. Okay, so I am not explaining right now. I will just explain you what is the meaning of enable. Enable means able to do some task. In Hindi, saksham. ओके? एक यूज़र को हेल्प करते हैं ये सारी चीज़ें कि वो कुछ काम कर सके. ओके? इट रिक्वायर्स द यूज ऑफ पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस लाइक अ माउस इन एडिशन टू द कीबोर्ड. इट मीन्स कीबोर्ड के साथ साथ माउस की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है GUI यूज़ करने के लिए. ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस में आपको कीबोर्ड एज वेल एज माउस की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. ठीक है? ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल होता है विंडोज़. द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस इज विंडोज़. नाउ लेट्स सी विंडोज़ 7. व्हाट इज विंडोज़ 7? नाउ विंडोज़ 7 is an operating system, okay, developed by Microsoft. वर्ल्ड्स लीडिंग सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी। इट मीन्स जो विंडो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो डेवलप किया गया है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कंपनी के थ्रू, जो कि वर्ल्ड में लीडिंग कंपनी है। नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेवलप। डेवलपमेंट मीन्स इम्प्रूव्ड, इवॉल्व, विकसित करना, उन्होंने खोज किया, ऐसे, ठीक है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कंपनी का नाम हुआ। लीडिंग मीन्स होता है प्रमुख, हेड, मेन, गोइंग इन एडवांस मीन्स बाकी सभी कंपनी से वो ज़्यादा अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। ओके, सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डेवलप किया है विंडोज़ को। विंडोज़ इज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डेवलप्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ल्ड्स लीडिंग सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी। It provides a graphical user interface that makes the interaction between the computer and the user easy. इसके थ्रू हम एक यूज़र और कंप्यूटर बहुत आसानी से एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट हो पाते हैं, कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हैं, एक दूसरे से बात कर पाते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट हो पाते हैं। A connection between two pieces of electrical device. Okay? Now let's see why Windows got name as Windows. Windows got its name from a glass window. It means जो विंडो का नाम रखा गया है वो एक ग्लास विंडो मतलब कांच की जो विंडो होती है उसके बेस पे रखा गया है। As its interface means a connection between two pieces of electronic device. Electronic device क्या होते हैं? जो भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलते हैं, जैसे फैन, फ्रिज, टीवी, ये सब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलता है। तो कंप्यूटर के जैसे कोई भी दो डिवाइस होंगे उसके बीच में कनेक्शन के लिए ये यूज होता है। विंडोज गॉट इट नेम फ्रॉम अ ग्लास विंडो एज इट इंटरफेस resembles a glass window through which we can see and have different views. Clear? Views मतलब हमें दिखता है। Windows 7 is the most popular version of Windows and was released on October 22, 2009. जो Windows 7 है वो सबसे ज़्यादा मोस्ट पॉपुलर वर्जन है Windows का। ओके, अब वर्जन मतलब क्या होगा? A particular form of something that is slightly different from other forms of the same thing. Getting me? A particular form of something that is slightly different from other forms of something. Suppose Windows ने बहुत सारे Windows के वर्जन बनाए होंगे, out of that Windows 7 is the most popular version. जैसे Windows 8 भी है, Windows 10 भी है, तो Windows 7 उसमें सबसे पॉपुलर वर्जन है। ओके, सभी में कुछ हल्का फुल्का चेंज रहता है, मतलब Windows 7 में, Windows 8 में, हर किसी में कुछ एक नई चीज़ रहेगी, कुछ में कुछ होगा, बट Windows 7 इज दी वेरी यूजर फ्रेंडली। ओके, पॉपुलर वर्जन ऑफ Windows and was released on October 22, 2009. Clear? Now what are the features of Windows 7? Windows is attractive. Now what is the meaning of attractive? That you like something tempting, very nice, good. Okay, so window is attractive. See the window image only. Correct na? Colorful. It has colorful pictures and themes. Themes means विषय in Hindi. Topic, a set of shapes and colors. Clear? Now it is easy to use and operate. Operate means to make something work, to manage it to work. Okay? It has an improved search tool. It allows user to work on many programs at the same time. Allow मतलब it give, let, make free, grant users to work on many programs at the same time. Okay? Clear?